Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am trying to not give you guys too much of my face. I'm kidding. No, I just completely forgot to do an intro for this video, but welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm just giving you a mini tour of my studio. And so basically, this is basically what it looks like. It's really cute and tiny. As you know, I only just moved here. So this is my little comfort space and where I just live my day-to-day life, basically. So I'm going to do a breakdown through the video, but I just wanted to just say, welcome back to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Of course, I have Beyonce on the screen, listening to Beyonce right now while I record this for you guys, but I can't play it because I'm not trying to get demonetized. But yeah, this is my humble abode. I really love it. It's my cute little space and it makes me happy. Yay, welcome. So over here is my little corner by the bed where I have all my daily essentials. And this lotion right here, Body Butter, is by my girl Amiola, dark skin female. And she does body butters called Gugu Skin Dessert. They are absolutely amazing. So guys, that's my bed where the magic happens. I generally like to make sure that all my bedding is the same color. I'm really weird. Like even the bed covers, I like everything to be the same. If you're a black girl, then you know exactly why one of them is silk for my hair. If you're not a black girl, then it's for my hair. It keeps your hair less luxury and moisture as opposed to using cotton on your head if your hair is out. And there's obviously another silk scarf underneath that I tie every night, and that stays under my pillow. This was given to me by my friend Karuna, and it is literally the softest thing ever. It's just so comfortable. It's ridiculous how comfy it is. Like, it just, sometimes, not every time, but sometimes I use it because it's so soft and so comfy. This is the book I'm reading at the moment. We're Going to Need More Wine, Gabrielle Union. Such a good book. And then these are like my essentials by the bed that I use every night and most mornings. This is essentially my study area. So this is where I kind of sit down sometimes and like go through my scripts, learn my lines and whatnot, and edit my videos for YouTube, watch some stuff, just do some, basic research, all that kind of stuff. And this is where I kind of keep all my information, and literally my whole life is in these pages. Yeah. It's called Productivity Plus Planner. It's by Fisayo Longa's mom. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but her mom does some amazing books. Abby Longa. This is a fake plant. I just like how it looked on the table, so I got it. That's my mini ring light that I use sometimes to study. Yeah, study area. This is my really cool board. And then I use this month board to just kind of figure out what I'm supposed to do for the month. Sometimes I remember to use it, sometimes I don't, if I'm being honest. For example, I'm going to the Ellen show and I'm going to San Diego with the girls on Saturday. Right, this I absolutely love. Think positively, learn actively, play more, be yourself, smile always, love passionately, live freely, work hard, shine bright, dream big, relax often, and enjoy yourself. I mean, what else could be true, guys? It's absolutely amazing. It just makes so much sense. So this is my little study area. Just a really tiny little study area, which I really think is so cute and cozy. And yeah, so this is my kitchen. Okay, let's talk about these bottles because you guys might notice them. I feel like here in LA, they don't really pay much attention to recycling. And for someone like me that's, lived in England, recycling is kind of inbred in me. So what I do is every 2 weeks, I fill this box right here with bottles, and then I take them down to the recycling place not too far from here. And I just kind of drop them off, and I do that every 2 weeks. This is actually due. I need to take it with me on after church on Sunday. It's overdue at this point, so it's a bit full. Obviously, water. I have a little sitting area just right here with two little chairs, two little stools, more like. You can ignore this. This is my Candy Co box. Video loading soon, unboxing video and doing my mold and all that good stuff because I need to send it out to them ASAP. So that's why that's there to remind me. The kitchen. I'm not really going to show you my fridge because, yeah, it's just crazy. Kitchen, so my cereal, stove, kettle. The plates are so cute. My friend Elma got them. So cute. I love them. Yeah, that's about it. I will say something that I really like. All around the house, this is the same type of cupboards that are everywhere in the house. This exact same thing. And I love the fact that it's just uniform. If you look around, it's the exact same thing. Love it. See? So these are my bags. I kind of separate them according to size. These are the ones I use more often. The rest of the ones that I don't use as often are in another cupboard. Obviously, I only just moved here, so I only have like a small percentage of my stuff. A lot of my stuff is between London and Nigeria. So yeah. So these are my bags. If you can't already tell from looking through the cupboard, I'm slightly obsessed with Louis Vuitton, but blame my mother because she's the one that got me most of these bags. My Gucci bag, I have this one, and I have another one that's in here, which I think I might show you guys. It's just like a big gold bag. It's really cute. And this is my Taje bag. I have loads of Taje bags because if I'm not gonna rep myself, who's gonna rep me? Yeah, so these are my Taje bags. My YSL bag is here. My Versace little plus clutches here, purse because it's quite big, and my Chanel boy bag is at the back, which I can't get out. And this is Zasharu, a Nigerian brand. I like to represent Nigerian brand. Guys, just ignore my nails. My nails are in shambles right now. Everything's broken except this one, and it's refused to come off. Yeah, Zasharu bag. I love her bags. They're really cute as well. I like to represent Nigeria. Le Petit Jouet. Another Louis Vuitton bag because you can never have too many Louis Vuitton bags. And this is my little purse that my aunt got me. So cute. It is Loris Azaro. I'm probably saying that wrong, but I absolutely love it. It's so cute. Yeah, my girl Lisa gave me this bag. Actually, she lent it to me one time, and then she never got it back. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, girl. I'm sorry. So yeah, essentially these are like my everyday bags. This is my Florian bag, another Nigerian designer, but she is based in London. And like I said, I like to rep Nigerians. You know, the ones that are doing good things, I like to rep them as well as my own brand, of course. There's more of my own brand in this video. You're gonna see it more and more and more. Yeah, so that's the little bag section that I have. Obviously there's clothes over there. I just separate them from tops. Just some dresses in the middle, but not too many because a lot of them are hung. And then pants are over there. A lot of them are hung as well. And then in here I have some of my jewelry. Don't know why there's so much shadow, guys. I'm sorry. In here I have some of my jewelry and my perfumes, some of them. This is my favorite perfume of life, J'adore. Absolutely love it. It's the best thing ever in the world. This my mom got me. It is so beautiful. It's Nina Ricci, I think it is. Yeah, Ricci, I think that's this one. I'm not sure. I'm definitely getting that wrong, but absolutely love it. A few of my glasses that I love, essentials. This Valentino glasses, I've actually never worn them yet, but they are absolutely gorgeous. I will be rocking them soon, so maybe on the trip with the girls. I have so many wigs, guys. It is crazy how many wigs I have in my life. But what I did was I just brought I think I brought only like 20 to LA, and to be honest, the whole 20 couldn't fit on this little stand that I created. So I think it's just like 10 that's here, or maybe like 10 or 11 that's just hung here. Absolutely. If you don't know me, I'm a wig girl. I have wigs for days, all colors, shapes, and sizes. There's gray, there's pink, yellow blonde, white blonde, ash gray, or ash blonde, depending whatever you want to call it. and just blonde and like 2 short wigs, blonde and black, because essentials. Yeah, that's how I do wigs in my life. And then over here, this suitcase stays here because it's such a tiny little suitcase. I didn't want to put it out on the balcony. And this Louis Vuitton suitcase, I've had it for so long. I'm worried that heat damage or anything can mess it up if I put it outside, especially because the sides are already kind of messing up. And in here is my little shoe section. So this one, I put these shoes that are like more expensive out here. Actually not really more expensive. I put the ones that I just like to look at out here, and the rest of them are in the cupboard. So there's my Dior shoes, my Louis Vuitton shoes that I've had for donkey years, but they're still so gorgeous and they're still doing what they're supposed to be doing. My new Valentino shoes that I haven't worn for reasons unknown to me. I actually need to wear them soon before I would just, I don't know, I need to wear them. And then my Louis Vuitton Essentials Pigalle pumps. My Jimmy Choo shoes are in there. The shoes, I've had them for so long. They are now officially struggling. Don't know if you guys know the story of these shoes when Rihanna did like a launch of them and everybody went to get a pair. Ridiculous. And then my Alexander McQueen shoes. I'm really upset because there's a scuff mark on this one, which is so annoying. My heels got stuck in like those little things on the ground that are just disgusting. Yeah, so I fucked up my heel. I need to get that fixed. And then, of course, some Taje slides. Ignore the bag at the back. That's just like dust bags. I just stuffed them in one place. And Taje slides. These are like new collection Taje slides that actually haven't been released yet. Yeah, but I gotta rep Taje, of course. And these are just print block heels that I just liked, and I have them. And of course, sneakers, just some of my sneakers. These are the ones I wear more often than not, the ones I wear to school and stuff and when go out or whatever. So these are the Puma ones, Balenciaga ones, and yeah, that's that. And then some flats, just flats that I wear every day. They are Taje and Taje, and this is American Rage, I believe. I just bought this so random. My feet was hurting one day. I went out with heels and I just literally went into Macy's, maybe it was, and then I got them and that was it. So let's take a walk into the closet. It's 2, I don't know what to call them now, mirror doors. There we go. 2 sliding mirror doors, which are just like amazing. And then this is just some of my clothes. I don't know, I'm really weird. I always try to coordinate my clothes according to color, just because I just feel like it looks cute and it looks aesthetically pleasing. This is these hangers, these velvet hangers. I absolutely love them. I think they are the cutest thing ever. This is one of my favorite dresses at the moment, but an annoying dress because it doesn't exactly do what it's supposed to do body-wise. Like doesn't hold me properly. It really doesn't do much for my figure, but it's cute. It still looks cute sometimes. And of course, more Taje. Woo woo! More Taje bags. Of course, New York Film Academy hat and a leather hat. Yeah, closet. So this has a lot of my hair stuff. So I use a lot of Shea Moisture. Just a whole ton of hair stuff in here. I just kind of chuck everything in here. Argan oil. You know, mainly my hair things. Shampoo, conditioning stuff, hairspray. Just a lot of my hair stuff is in here. Main Tabalas Main Choice, growth oil, the truth. But yeah, so this is where I just kind of chuck all my hair things. And then this is where my makeup babies are. So in this corner is eyeshadows, eyebrow palettes, eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadow primers. Over there is lipsticks and lip liners. So this is supposed to be like a stand thing, but it couldn't stand in here because it's too tall. So I just lay it down after it stood, you know, all arranged, and then I laid it down, and for some reason it stayed inside, which is perfect. And this is all my lipsticks and stuff. And my eyebrow stuff is right here. Eyeshadow primer. And this is all my eyeshadow. This is all eyeshadow area. everything, and that's all lippies. So over here is where my foundation actually go. There's a ton of foundation, but at the moment I'm trying to take out some of the foundations that I want to give away, that I want to use for my giveaway pretty soon. So I've taken them all out and I'm trying to reorganize them because a lot of them are new and I just got a few of them, so I'm trying to add new ones and then replace some, and just, yeah. Foundations, I'm gonna give away a ton of them, and then the rest of them are just gonna kind of stay in here. I don't think it's gonna fit, but I'm gonna make it work because I'm really tight for space at the moment, so it's just gonna have to work. But yeah, so this is my little makeup wardrobe. I mean, I have more makeup stuff around. There's another makeup bag that's kind of like my go-to makeup bag for everyday looks. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Catch you in my next video. Ciao!